First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Winter is about to tell us it's not done yet, even though we've had some very nice temperatures the last few days, and today will be no exception. We're going to see things going downhill instead of uphill as we go through the next 24 to 36 hours. Here's a look at First Alert live Doppler radar. We are all clear around southern Kentucky this morning, and we're starting out at a mild 47 degrees. Temperature trend over the next 7 days does show exactly what I'm talking about here. We're not going to stay as warm as we have been. The average high for this time of the year is 58 degrees here in Bowling Green in southern Kentucky. We're looking to hit 74 today. That's not a record, by the way. The record 10 degrees warmer than that at 84 degrees, and that was set all the way back in 1911, believe it or not. 56, we get closer to average by Wednesday, but look at this, 42 on Thursday. That's when the coldest air comes pushing through the area tomorrow night into Thursday. But then we recover for the weekend. We get back to above average in the upper 50s to low 60s with yet another cool down expected by Monday. So we're in that transitional time here in the month of March. Expect this to continue up and down as we go through temperatures and through time, and eventually things will shake out here and we'll be into spring. As we check temperatures right now, we're seeing mainly upper 40s to low 50s. The only exception, again, down in the valley in Burkesville there at the Mesonet site, 32 degrees, but they'll warm up even with everybody else as we go through the morning. And there's a bit of a wind, a little bit of a breeze at 5 to 10 to 15 miles per hour. Those winds will pick up from the south and west at about 20 miles per hour later today. Here's a look at your hometown forecast brought to you by the Kentucky Lottery. We go to Rough River Lake, Hardinsburg. You'll see a high today at 71 up in Breckinridge County, 72 for E-Town in Hardin County, 73 for Litchfield and Grayson County. By the way, the Kentucky Lottery Powerball jackpot for Wednesday night now estimated to be at $60 million, and the next Mega Millions drawing estimated to be at $309 million. Here's a look down Scottsville Road in front of the Bowling Green Airport. All looking good this morning. We're at 44 degrees. We've dropped a few degrees, and usually just before sunrise, the temperature comes down a couple of notches, and then as the sun heats things up, we'll start to go back up and climb in temperature. Munfordville, you're starting out in Hart County this morning with a clear sky and 46 degrees. Franklin, you're almost at 50 degrees there in Simpson County this morning. As you check the watches and warnings, this is why we're not too concerned about the winter side of the system. These are all winter weather advisories, some winter storm watches, and even a few winter storm warnings. Chicago to Detroit to Buffalo to Burlington to Albany and near Boston. That's where the winter weather is going to be, and already we're seeing signs of that winter weather coming in. Here's radar reflectivity, Minneapolis, St. Paul, Green Bay, north of Chicago, Lake Michigan, starting to see some action now, and as the cold air comes in, that will all change to some ice and snow for those folks. But we're going to be on the warmer side of things here as that next system gets cranked up. In fact, it's going to intensify and become a pretty decent storm for folks in the northern part of the Ohio Valley and the Northeast. 39 at the Bowling Green Airport at this hour as temperatures will begin to rise as high pressure takes over and moves further east. We'll see an increase in cloud cover as we go through the day. Then as we get into late tonight, early tomorrow morning about this time, we get scattered showers and even a rumble of thunder can't be ruled out. And then the cold air starts rushing in by tomorrow afternoon. Here is Wednesday afternoon. You can tell it's having an effect on my voice too. Wednesday afternoon, the winds start to take over again and the cold air starts rushing in. Now there could be a few snow flurries, wet snowflakes mixed in, but this is not going to be that big of a deal for us further north. Certainly it will be. Mostly sunny, breezy, and warm today, 74. And then for tonight, showers and thunderstorms, 53. Showers and thunderstorms in the morning as we watch AM Kentucky, and then the colder air starts to move in late morning, midday. Temperatures will begin to fall down to 22 tomorrow night. A cooler Thursday at only 42, and then you see the 60s for Friday and Saturday, 50 to 57 Sunday and Monday for St. Patty's Day on Monday. Maybe some rain showers in there, but you know, like I said at the beginning, this is stuff that's going to take time to work out. We're just in that pattern.